Hello, welcome once again to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how you can use your phone to create interesting app like this. So we'll give you the step-by-step process on how you can use your phone to create interesting app like this. So here we have the time quiz app, which is the online quiz app, and they are telling me the quiz has been completed and my score was 3/5 and the time life is seconds. So with your phone you can create interesting app like this. You can use your phone to create online quiz app like what I just shown to you. You can use your phone to do that and your PC. So this one that I'm just showing to you, I did it on phone. You could see that this in the screen of the phone. I'm actually running it on phone, and I have also done the same thing on PC as well. There is no difference between the PC phone and the phone. They are all the same, just that the app that I use to run the phone is different from that of the PC, but at the end you will achieve the same results. So here I'm going to show you how I did something like this. So here I use HTML, CSS and JavaScript to create interesting app like this, and it was the JavaScript that will do all the dirty work for you. So all the questions that I've been asking over there, I use the JavaScript to do that. So I'll just go back to my work, then show you some things. Here the time that I've been set for each question is 10 seconds. So 10 seconds has been allocated for each question. You have maximum of 10 seconds to answer each question. If that 10 seconds reach, it will automatically submit your the answer for you, and you have to move on to the next question, and you will be awarded with no mark. You will be awarded with no mark if you are not able to you are not able to answer the question and the time reach. You will be awarded with 0 mark. So here they said time up, the correct answer was Paris. So here I've been awarded with 0 mark. They won't give me any mark for that. So imagine this one. They said what, which planet is known as the red planet? I selected Jupiter, and here the correct answer has been highlighted green. They are telling me it is incorrect. The correct answer was Mars, and the time that was left was 9 seconds. It was left with 9 seconds for the time to reach before I answered it. So here I have to move on to the next question, and here they say what is the largest animal on earth? So here let me choose giraffe. That one too, they said it is wrong. I'll move on to next 19. Which year did World War II end? 1946. They said it is also wrong. I'll click on next question. What is the chemical for symbol for water? So here let me choose H2O and click on next. Here they said what, quiz completed. I scored 1/5. Remember I told you earlier that the first question couldn't answer and the time reached, so I was awarded with 0 mark, and it was only the water question that I was able to get it correct. That's why I had 1/5. So you have maximum of 10 seconds to answer each question, and the moment it reach, you will not able to uh, answer the question again. You will not able to answer it again. It will automatically submit the question for you, and that will be all. So again, this thing, if the time allocated for each question is not enough for you, so as I was saying, if the 10 seconds is not enough for you, if it is too small for you, you can change it to 20 seconds or 30 seconds, so that you think about the question before answering, because the 10 seconds before you even finish reading the question, uh, 5 seconds will even go, and you have to think about the question before you select. So if you want to change the maximum number of seconds that you have to use to answer each question, you have to go back to HTML, JavaScript, sorry. So go to JavaScript and here is it. We have the timer over here. You just go there, then you change the timer to 20 seconds. So that 20 seconds, I think it will be enough. You can get time to think about the question, then answer. So you just preview it, and here is it. Is what, 20 seconds now, so you can think about the question before answering. So basically, that's how we use phone to create online quiz app. And this one, it is not like uh, you can't change the question or something. You can set your own question as well. If you want to set your own question, in the same way, you come to the JavaScript, and here you just what, ask the question, and you make your own choices, then you pick the correct answer. So the choices are four, and the correct answer is what, Paris. So this one, if you are working on uh, JavaScript, you have to make sure that all your your quotation mark and the comma and the other stuff, they are all there. You have to pay attention to all those things. They are very, very important, because here, if I delete even a comma over here, it will affect my work and it will not run. So here you could see the app is no more what, running. The app can't run because of that small comma that I deleted over there. My app is not functioning, and it will look the whole of your work. There is something wrong with your work, and this is what actually gets some people frustrated, because you will do everything correct, but because of a small sign or small letter or misspelling of a word, it will affect the whole of your work, and um, your work will not function the way you want it to function. That's why we do provide Word document, so that if you watch the video and you are not getting something clear over there, you just come to the Word document, then copy the necessary information, then paste it over there without stressing yourself much, because on the JavaScript you could see that this thing is plenty, so you can't get the time to type all these things. So it's just a matter of you coming to the Word document over here, then copy the whole of the JavaScript. After that, you come to the question section, then you do your own editing. So this is where you are to do your own editing, the question part. So you have to come to where the quiz data is. Then you drop your own question with the choices, then and pick your answer for that. So imagine I want to change the answer for capital of France to London. I will just come here, then instead of the Paris, I will just choose London. So let me go back to my work, then preview it for you to see. So London, I'll just type London over there, then preview it for you to see. Yeah. So the moment I click on Berlin, they will tell me that the capital for France is London, because I have made some editing over there. So as I was saying, you can create your own question, whether mathematics question, whether English question, whether general knowledge, whether physics, any question at all that you want to create. So this is what most of the lecturers use to create their online question for you guys to answer. So if they are creating online question for you guys, this what they do. This is how they do it. So with your phone, you can create something like this. So it's very, very interesting. You might think your phone cannot do something like this, but if you join this training, you will learn a whole lot of things. You will learn plenty things that you can use your phone to do. And so basically that's how we use phone to create um, online quiz app. And As I was saying, this one we don't want you to stress yourself much. So what you have to do is to copy the whole of the JavaScript format from the Word document, then paste it over here. After that, you make some editing over here by setting your own question. And also, if the timer is too short or is not enough for you, you just set it to maybe 20 seconds, maybe 30 seconds, or maybe 1 minute. If it is mathematics question, you can set it to 1 minute so that you get enough time to solve before answering. So basically, that's how we use phone to create online quiz app like this. With your phone, you can do that, and we have the full lesson to guide you on how to create interesting app like this by taking you through the HTML document, the CSS, and also the JavaScript. So we have the full video on how to do that. So if you want to get the full video, register for the advanced training, and you will get access to the Word document and also the full tutorial on how to create interesting app like this. Hello, welcome once again to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you some of the apps that you can use your phone to create by using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So we'll show you some of the apps that you can use your phone to build. So this is one of the app. This is weather app. You can use your phone to build a weather app like this. And we have a tutorial and software and resources to create a search app. So here, when I type any country over there, it will give me the weather, it will give me the temperature, the humidity, and many more. So here, when I enter Germany, you see the temperature has changed to 0 degrees, and Bengaluru, it has changed to 22 degrees. And another app is calculator. So you can also use your phone to build a calculator app. So this is scientific calculator. We have the sine, we have the cos, we have the log, we have the constant, which is the pi, and the e. And we have the square root and many more. So you can use it to solve any complex calculation. So here, when I enter the square root of 49, when I press on equal sign, you can see the answer has been given to me as 9. View the actual value, and we have the sine, we have the cos, and many more. So this one, we build it on phone. So you will see the distance, the phone screen. So this app was actually built on phone, and I'm going to show you how the format be like. So we have the HTML format, we have the CSS, and we have the JavaScript. So I'm going to show you how the format be like. So we have a tutorial on how to program a scientific calculator like this. So this is the HTML format. We have a tutorial on how we went about this. So this is the HTML, and this is the CSS format too as well. So this was actually done on phone. As you can see, this is the phone screen. So we did it on phone, and the JavaScript format too. This is how it also be like. So we did all these on phone, and we have a tutorial to guide you on how we did something like this. So we have also create a Word document too. We have a Word document to also guide you in case you find something difficult to understand, or if you are not seeing something clear over there, you can go through the Word document and check. So this is the Word document, how to build a calculator. So this is the HTML format. So if you are not seeing something well over there, you can go through the Word document, then check what you are finding it difficult to see over there. So we have prepared a Word document, and there is explanation under each format. So if you are not getting something clear, or if you are finding something difficult to understand, you can go through the explanation too. And under the CSS format too, we have the explanation there too as well. So anything that you can't get it clear, you can go through the CSS document. And as I've told you earlier, this one you are working on coding. So if you miss any letter or symbol, or if you misspell any letter, your calculator app will not work. So if you are done with your work and you are trying to let your calculator to operate, but the calculator is not functioning, you can go through all these formats, the HTML, CSS, and the JavaScript, and check if everything is in place. If you miss any letter or even a dot or comma, your this thing, it will have impact on your app. And another one is calendar app. So this is a calendar app that we actually did on phone too as well. So here you can navigate to see the other months. So we have the February, we have the March, we have April, May 2026 up to infinity. So this is the formats that we did on phone. So the table that we showed you in our previous lesson, you apply that concept here to build a calendar app. And we have the CSS format and also the JavaScript format too as well. So all these things we have create Word document for that. So if you are not getting something clear, you can go through the Word document and check if what you have typed over there is the same as what is in the Word document. So that's how the thing be like. And another one too is stopwatch. So this one is the calculator, the JavaScript format. So here you need to get the concept behind JavaScript. Everything is in the Word document. And we also have a PDF document for JavaScript that you can also go through and learn the basics. So that's how the thing be like. So for each of the programming language, we have the PDF document and at the same time lesson. So we have the lesson to teach you on how to use your phone to build a calendar app like this. And another one is the digital stopwatch. So this is the digital stopwatch. So here you can see when I click on start, the digital stopwatch will start running. When I click on stop, it will pause. When I click on reset, it will start afresh. So that's how it be like. So this one too, we use the CSS, HTML, and JavaScript to do something like this. So all these apps that I'm showing to you, we did them on phone. And as I was saying, we have the PDF document too. So if you are not getting something clear over here, you can go through the PDF document and check if everything is well in place. So there's the HTML format for the digital stop watch. So there's the CSS format too as well, and the JavaScript format. So these are some of the apps that you can use your Android phone or your iPhone to build. So we have lesson on how to create this kind of app. If you are interested, you can register for the web development training and you will get access to these lessons and the resources to build something like this on your phone. Thank you. That's all for today. Thank you for joining us. Bye bye.